One of my favorite shapes of bread to make of all time is the Batard. It's an oblong oval loaf like this. It has the best ratio of crust to crumb, the best expression of an ear, and my favorite. Now, if you're just starting out, you might want to start with a Boule. I have another video showing you how to shape one, and I'll leave a link for that in the description below. I've got some dough here. It's my country sourdough. You can also find this recipe in my cookbook, Bread, etc. And I have loads of recipes on my website. You can do just about any loaf as a Batard. One word of caution, if your dough is overly slack or it feels weak, I would shape it into a Boule, which is a round loaf. Now to get started, we're gonna need a Banneton. These are oval Bannetons. If you're not sure how to use these or what they are, I have another video explaining it. We're gonna dust these with some flour. Now this is rice flour mixed with a bit of rye, and the breads on the table have been resting for about 20 minutes. They're good to go. I'll do this for you a couple times, and we'll do it overhead as well. So that way, you can follow along and shape with me at home. Little bit of flour here. You're gonna dust the top of your loaf that's been resting. We're gonna flip it over so that the floured side is down on an unfloured work surface. There's enough flour on top of that loaf to keep it from sticking. To do this, we're gonna bring the bottom down towards you, up and seal. Then we're gonna stretch the sides out, seal, seal, bring the top down, and we're just gonna go over and sort of cross these arms. And what that's gonna do is develop a lot of surface tension and give us a nice tight loaf that gets a good expansive oven spring. I'm gonna roll this away from me, and I'm just gonna tuck this in, pulling it on the table to create a seal on the bottom here. Pick this up and place this into our Banneton. Do that again. If you go to this part and you notice your dough is tearing, or it's a bit, it won't stretch out, just go easy on it. Don't let the dough rip. Sometimes, depending on your flour, your hydration, your mixing, your dough might be a little bit tighter. Now, some of these loaves I shaped and put them right into the basket right away. Another way to do this for high hydration doughs is to allow it to rest after shaping for a moment. With a lightly floured hand, you're gonna pick it up. You've got two sort of halves and a part that's wet and sticky. We're just gonna slightly press that together. It's gonna seal itself or stick to itself. Place it in the basket, and you can see it's kind of already created that seal. It's gonna give us a nice final volume and a nice beautiful ear. I'm gonna get these in the bag in the fridge. Hopefully this helps you make better bread. If it does, subscribe to the channel or something like that. I don't even know, like this video or whatever the heck. And you can check out my book. I've got loads of recipes on my website, and I'll see you in the next video.